a puppet that we're gonna make, and it's a cow, just like from our book. Next, let's do the eyes of the cow, and we'll put them on the bag. One goes there, and the other one will go right next to it. Okay, now let's hold it down. Now the cow has a tail, and we'll put the tail. Now the tail goes here at the bottom. That's right. Hi friends, it's me, Miss Angie. How are you? And thank you for joining me. Today I have a special treat. We are going to learn how to tickle. Do you know how to tickle? Well, maybe we can learn together in this book. This book is called Don't Tickle the Cow. You might make it moo, and it's an Usborne book. What do you think this book is about? Do you think it's about driving in the car?
No.
No. Do you think it's about going for a walk?
No.
No. Do you think it's about a cow and tickling?
Yes.
Yes. Let's read it together and learn how to tickle. Okay, here it is. Don't tickle the cow. You might make it moo. Okay, let's open the book. It says, don't tickle the cow. You might make it moo. Here's where we learn how to tickle. You get your hands and you do soft little movements. Can you do it? Move your fingers, move your fingers. Now let's go to the belly of the cow and tickle the belly. Are you ready? Let's see. Did we make it move?
Yes.
Yes. Let's do it again. Tickle, tickle. We made the cow move. Now can you do the moo sound? Do it with me. Moo.
Moo.
Says the cow. Moo.
Moo.
Tickle, tickle. And the cow goes moo. Let's see what's next. It says, don't tickle the goat. You might make it bleat. Do you remember how to tickle? Get your fingers ready. Now let's go tickle the belly. Did you hear it? It went ma. Can you make that sound? Say it with me. Ma. Ma. That's the goat. Let's do it again. Tickle, tickle. Good job. Let's go to the next one. It says, don't tickle the hen. You might make it cluck. Get your tickle fingers out. And there it is. Did you hear it? It made the cluck sound. Cluck, 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 cluck. Can you do it? You can do it two different ways. Let's get our tickle fingers and hear the hen again. I heard it. Good job. Let's turn the page and find out more. It says, don't tickle the pony. You might make it snort. A pony is also a horse. We might make it snort if we tickle. Can you get your tickle fingers ready? Let's go tickle the horse. Tickle, tickle, little horse. Tickle, tickle. I didn't hear it, but can you make the horse sound? Can you go by blowing air out? Say tickle, tickle, horse.
Tickle, tickle, horse.
Tickle, tickle.
Tickle, tickle.
We made him snort. Good job. Let's go to the next one. Oh no, look what you've done. Let's see. Let's tickle right here. Tickle, tickle.
Tickle.
it plays a song. It had all of the sounds of the animals from the book. Let's try our own sounds. Say it with me. Moo goes the cow when we tickle.
Moo goes the cow when we tickle.
Cluck, cluck goes the hen when we tickle.
Cluck, cluck goes the hen when we tickle.
Says the horse, meh, when we tickle. And the goat, meh, when we tickle. That was a good book. And thank you for learning how to tickle with me. Now, in today's activity, we have a puppet that we're gonna make, and it's a cow, just like from our book. So here is our paper bag, and we're gonna make a puppet. But first, we need some black sticker dots to put on the belly of the cow. Can you do it with me?
Yes.
Thanks. Okay, here we go. Now, can you say, I need some black circles for the cow's belly?
I need some black circles for the cow's belly.
Good job. And we're gonna put some circles on there. We'll put one here, one up here. Let's get a couple more. These are spots on the belly of the cow. The cow is black and white. Different colors on here. Black dots on the white belly of the cow. But there are some cows that have other colors. But our cow is going to be white with black spots. Okay, now we have the belly ready. Next, let's do the eyes of the cow. Can you say, I need some eyes for the cow?
I need some eyes for the cow.
Good job. And we'll put them on the bag. One goes there, and the other one will go right next to it. Okay, now let's hold it down and count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we have the eyes. Next, we need the mouth. The mouth has 2 parts on this. The muzzle for the nose and the mouth, and then the inside of the mouth that goes under the flap. Can you say, I need the mouth of the cow?
I need the mouth of the cow.
Good job. And we'll put it right here. Now, let's hold it down for 5 counts. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Now, our cow is still missing some things. So let's do the arms of the cow. Can you say, I need 2 arms for my cow?
I need 2 arms for my cow.
Good job. And we'll put them right up here. Now, do you remember in our book, the cow made which sound?
Moo!
That's right, the moo sound. Now, as I put these here, can you sing Oh MacDonald Had a Farm? And put the cow in there. Okay, ready? Let's sing. Oh MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo moo here and a moo moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Oh MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Good job. Okay, he's got 2 top arms, but we still need the bottom legs. Can you say, I need 2 legs for the bottom of the cow?
I need 2 legs for the bottom of the cow.
Good job. And we'll put them on the cow. Here we go. We need a little bit of glue. One goes on this side. Count with me. Well, let's put it on first. And one goes on the other side. Is it starting to look like a cow? Yes, Okay, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4,
4,
5.
5.
Good job. Okay, now the cow is still missing some things. The cow needs the horns. Can you say, I need 2 horns for my cow?
I need 2 horns for my cow.
Good job. And we'll put them right on the top. Here, these horns are going to be green. And you guessed it, it's gonna go at the top. Okay, let's put them at the top. 1 and 2. Can you count to 5 with me? 1, 2, 3, 4,
4,
5.
5.
Now, there are his horns. He still needs his ears. Can you say, I need 2 ears for my cow?
I need 2 ears for my cow.
Good job. And we have 2 ears. One will go on this side, and one will go on the other side. Oh no, it's moving, but we have to hold it down and count to 5. Can you count with me? Let's do it. Hold it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no, this one's still wiggling. Let's count to 5 one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now the cow is still missing a few more things. It needs
The muzzle.
the muzzle. That's right. The muzzle is the nose and mouth of the cow, and it goes right there in the middle. Can you say, I need the muzzle of the cow for my puppet?
I need the muzzle of the cow for my puppet.
Good job. And we'll put it right here. Can you count to 5 with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Okay, now 2 more things for our cow before we get to use our puppet. Now the cow has a tail. Can you say, I need a tail for my cow?
I need a tail for my cow.
Good job. And we'll put the tail. Now the tail goes here at
The bottom.
the bottom. That's right. We're gonna hold it down. Can you count to 5 with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Our cow is almost ready. We need one more thing, and that's gonna be here at the bottom. It's called the udder, the teat. And this is where the milk comes from. Can you say, I need the teat for my cow?
I need the teat for my cow.
Good job. And we'll put it at the bottom. Now, I need your help. Count to 5 with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's take a look at our cow. Here's our puppet, the cow. It's got all of the parts. The horns, the ears, the eyes, the muzzle, mouth, also the arms and legs with the tail and the teeth. Let's put our puppet on our hand. Okay, now do you remember what sound the cow says?
No.
That's right. Let's make this cow. Let's tickle with our fingers and make this cow move. Can you say tickle, tickle?
Tickle, tickle.
Good job. Moo goes the cow. Moo goes the cow. Hi, I'm the cow. Thank you for putting me together. Thank you for helping me put the cow together, reading our book, and learning how to tickle. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Moo. Bye-bye.